So your first chord is going to be a D minor 7. That's left hand D, right hand C, F, A. Second chord is going to be a B flat, first inversion. That's B flat left, D, F, B flat right. Third chord, F, second inversion. That's F left hand, C, F, A right. And then that last chord, F suspended, we take that A and the F down to G. Put it together, you've got D minor 7, B flat, F, F suspended. And then that little passing note, you just play a B flat and then you reach up to C, down to F. Now for the chorus, we've got B flat, again, to F suspended, back to B flat, back to F. Then we're going to take that F down to an E for an F major 7 twice. Then we take it down to D for an F6. And then we go to C twice. 2, 3, 4. Hold that last C. Whole chorus. Nobody said it was easy. Nobody said it was easy. Walk that F down to E, down to D, to C. 2, 3, 4, C. And now this little post-chorus bridge starts on F, 2, 3, up to B flat, and then 2 more measures of F. And then it's basically back to the verse. Good luck.